So today I thought we'd take a little look inside my jewellery bead box, and I might do a little wrap later with something, so let's take a look inside. I used to use loads and loads of beads, but I've actually slimmed it down to what I like best and what I found sells best with the jewellery that I make. So in here I have some azurite, which is a lovely mottled blue and green. And I have some malachite in this one. And then I have the blue version of the malachite. I believe these are actually man-made stones, which are actually better for the environment because it means they haven't been mined, so they are synthetically made. And then I have a round version of the blue malachite. I have some amethyst. These ones are real. I have some turquoise. So you'll find these all with my spirals on my necklaces, my bracelets and my earrings. I have some round grade B amethyst beads. I love these beads. I am obsessed with sea sediment jasper. I think it's gorgeous. And these ones are some Picasso jasper that I picked up. I don't often have these ones, so that's a bit of a rare one for me. Very popular with my jewellery are these rainbow hematite hearts, which shine slightly in the light. Can you see that? Not sure if you can. And I have that in two sizes, so larger ones for the necklaces and bracelets, and then smaller ones for the earrings. And then in these lower compartments, I have all of my gemstones that I wrap with copper. So I've got some various ones in here. That's a labradorite. There's another labradorite there. That one is a Picasso jasper. And we have a couple of sea sediment jaspers. And another Picasso jasper. These have all got to be wrapped, so I might wrap one of those in a minute. And over here I've got a lovely big turquoise and a lovely deep blue sea sediment jasper. I love all the veining in it. And then I got some various stones in here, like gold stone. I'm not a stone expert. I think that's a tiger's eye. That's a blue gold stone. That's a little lapis there. It's a Jersey. That one's possibly an aventurine. Another gold stone there. That's like a little natural stone. I'm not sure what that is. As I say, I'm not an expert. Some of these stones I buy and I forget what they are, to be honest. And I am going to wrap it on a time lapse, otherwise you won't get to see it all in this video because it will go on for too long because it takes me quite a while.